Hi, my name is Kristen, and this is my terrarium. I made this terrarium by using a Snapple bottle. I cut it in half. I put the pebbles at the bottom, the soil, and then the flower, and I gave it a little bit of water, not too much. You can see the flower right there. My flower is called a hollyhock. It's supposed to grow quite large, so once it's grown out of this guy, I'm going to transfer it to a pot to let it continue to grow. I will be using the 5E lesson planning. The one I chose was the learning cycle paradigm shifts. It will allow for children to learn and explore and ask questions and make sure that the teacher is able to answer the questions and give them the support that they need for this lesson. When it came to finding the materials, it was pretty easy because I am a preschool teacher. I was able to go to the school and they did have the soil and the rocks. They didn't have the plant and they didn't have the bottle, so the bottle came from me and I did have to go get the plant myself. The hardest one to find was the rocks because I had to actually physically go outside and search for the pebbles to go in the bottom of the terrarium so the water can cycle through easily. When it comes to watering this, I would only have to water this about once a month or once every month and a half because of the heat and the condensation that it's going to be creating. Because it is a sealed terrarium, it's going to be able to keep the soil nice and moist. Once the soil is starting to look a little bit dry, I will have to add a little water, but not too much. Thank you.